trouble out here today, no viewers. You know, see I read that in our kitchen. They say we have on the menu today.
Yeah, we're gonna do some conch.
So we out here today, viewers, a curry conch on the menu. So I go on.
Don't forget, viewers, make sure your knife's really sharp. Comes really slimy. Now lose your finger. Drop on a wicked bad boy grill conch them on the party cooking, make them know what I'm going.
Skunk fully cut up. Ready for season. Yeah. Curry and all these things. Alright. Adding a little black pepper, viewers. Better pack. All purpose. So Maggi all purpose next. So we have 1 teaspoon of the Maggi all purpose, 1 teaspoon of the fish seasoning. We have a little black pepper, like half teaspoon, if it's that much. We have the curry next. Better pack. It's like 1 teaspoon of curry. Trouble, you know?
So I squeeze the seasoning, make the seasoning go inside of the conch, isn't it? That's key. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pressure them for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna cook him down to the sauce. So what we're gonna hit first real quick, but first we gotta make sure we check on the fire. Make sure the fire is good, all right?
Evening.
So fire looking good. Fire looking good, all right. Push up.
So you're adding some corn to the conch.
That's right.
It's a great look.
Sorry about it. Today I should have had some peanuts to go in there too. Give you a different flavor of what's going on. But the next time on Pari Cook It, don't forget. We're gonna get the pot hot. We're gonna put a bit of oil in there. We're gonna throw a conch. But we're gonna make sure it's hot. We might have to go ahead and burn some spring onion, some thyme, peg of garlic in the oil. Got any scotch bonnet? Need some scotch bonnet. All right, viewers, we back. We back, viewers. We back. You know what I mean? So it's kind of hot in there, so we're gonna tip a little bit of oil in there. You know what I mean? Because we don't really want our conch to burn. Same time, we're gonna add The garlic, I just chopped them in two. Garlic in there, so we're gonna drop in a spring onion and some thyme. So we're gonna let that fry out a little bit. Don't forget, we're cooking curry. We don't want nobody's tummy curry. A little bit of curry in there, so that burns out in the oil. And so you put ample amount because of the amount of curry that we might need for this fry. So shit's getting hot. Don't be afraid to touch your pot.
Burning out the curry.
Burning out the curry. Yeah, making sure that curry's super ready for you. Taking these guys out, because I got what I needed out of them. I'm gonna use the surgeon right here. Use the surgeon right here. Right. So I'm just gonna give it a couple more seconds, let them sit. You know what I mean? The fire's looking good on the day. When we out here. So I'm gonna go in and put in my first portion of conch. See that, guys? Happening. Happening, guys. I'll put everything in there, all my corn, everything going in. We're gonna watch them for a few minutes. See that? Already start making that juice. But there's gonna be a lot more stuff in there. My okras, everything, sweet peppers, carrots, my peppers. So we're gonna let them sit for a couple of minutes. Just watch them. And then we're just gonna add some water, shut the pot down for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, viewers, we back. Bye. Let's see wagwan. Let's see wagwan. Shit's already juicing up. Juicing up. That means when I add the water and I close this, yeah. All I expect next is greatness. All I expect next is greatness. So we're gonna full it up, you know what I mean? Like, we're not gonna really submerge it, you know, cause we really only gonna pressure it for like 15 to 20 minutes. So we're not gonna really submerge it. But it looks good. Alright, gonna add the water. See? That's it, not fully submerged. Alright? Just keep, like it's floating, and you can see they had. We're gonna lock it up now. Alright. So it's locked up. So we're gonna give it 15 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to check your time. And you lock it up. Alright, my time is 5:39 down here in Jamaica. So, alright. So 6 o'clock. We should take it off and let it cool down. Alright.
What happens, you all trouble out here in the night come down. So we have to come on the inside with the pot. Cool down the conch. Got fully pressure. Got the rice off the YouTube as well, you know? Protect that outside. Wow. Beauty.
We're gonna add a seasoning, but we gotta finish it inside.
Yeah, we're going to complete it on the inside. As you can see, we have seasoning prepare for the conch. Have the Irish carrot, hot pepper, onion, scallion and thyme just as well. Okra, sweet pepper.
Para que sume. Really get that on tape. Some bullshit. Yeah, wash it off, let me get it. It's so beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and show it. Guys, I'm going to take a bit of water.
Alright, you want to see it? Come complete, you know?
I ended up cooking and you know what I mean? Like, is it Bass tomato? It ain't basmati. I'll be trying to do it right. So this one right here, I'm getting it ready for party. Scallion and thyme cocked up here, shit.
Shit.
Yeah, I already tasted it. So I ain't make
That come for food, you know?
I like the food one.
Conch and it's shrimps made on.
So well, that's like we just leave a bit of gravy.
Yeah, share conch mean, you know, brother.
Few people here, I gotta do the right thing.
Give them gravy, man. Gravy for them. They're not for them.
There's still a bit of shrimp, man.
Yeah, man, shrimp are different eating, man. I tell man them about shrimp.
The bacon, you look after the person that's doing some bacon and stuff. So there's still gonna be some left in the pot. You know what I mean?
Just that alone will come right now. See that, viewers? Done, you know? Yo, I'm hungry and I cost fish here. I don't know the time.
Chef. And a park kitchen with it, don't it? God almighty. How about that one there? My one?
Yeah.
Right there and then. I want a bees. Can you use this to know?